Do you wanna know?
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today, we're gonna cook Monggong Gata. So it's very easy and very yummy. So if you want to know the ingredients and the procedure, keep on watching. So for our ingredients, 3/4 cup monggo, 2 cups kalabasa, 3 pieces talong, 1/2 cup malunggay. We also have our garlic and onions and our gata, oil and patis, and our magic syrup. So let's get started. Of course, first is the slow-mo fire. So let's cook our monggo by boiling it until it turns like this. So let's set it aside. Let's heat up our pan and then saute our onions until it turns transparent. And now we can add our garlic. After a few minutes, we can add up our kalabasa. And then our talong or eggplant. After a few minutes, let's add 3/4 cup of water. Let it simmer. Now it's time to put in our cooked monggo. So let it simmer for 2 minutes, and after that, we can add our patis or fish sauce. So it depends on your taste. So I'm using here 3 tablespoons only. You can add or you can lessen. It's time for our gata or our coconut cream. It's better if you can use the fresh one, but in here I used the one in can. And of course, our slow-mo. So there you are, we are almost done. So we will just let this simmer for 2 to 3 minutes or until it thickens. Maybe a little longer. It depends kung gaano kadami yung niluto nyo. Now it's already thick. We can add our malunggay and stir. And voila, this is our finished product. Our very healthy and yummy Monggo Gata. Don't forget to like and subscribe.